Hello all, I am Kirtana. Today we are going to discuss on a topic, what are the sources of income for influencers. Influencers can generate income through various channels depending on their industry, audience and platform. Here are some of the common sources of income for influencers. Sponsored content. Brands pay influencers to create content promoting their product or services. This can include sponsored posts on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, videos featuring product placements, or blog posts endorsing certain brands. Affiliate marketing. Influencers earn commissions by promoting products or services through unique affiliate links. They receive a percentage of the sales generated through these links. Affiliate marketing is common on platforms like blogs, YouTube, and Instagram. Brand partnerships and ambassadorships. Influencers may establish long-term partnership or ambassadorships with brands. These collaborations often involve creating content, attending events, or representing the brand in exchange for compensation or free products. Merchandise sales. Influencers can monetize their personal brand by selling merchandise such as clothing, accessories, or digital products like ebooks or online courses. Platforms like Shopify or Printful make it easy for influencers to create and sell their own branded products. Paid sponsorship or endorsement. Apart from sponsored content, influencers can earn money by endorsing products or services through shoutouts or mentions in their content. Content licensing. Influencers can license their content for use by brands, media outlets, or other organizations. This can include selling photographs, videos, or written content for commercial purpose. Event appearance and speaking engagements. Influencers may be invited to speak at events, conferences, or workshops related to their industry. They can earn speaking fees, appearance fees, or receive compensation for hosting the workshops or panels. Donations and tips. Some influencers receive donations or tips from their followers through platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or PayPal. This revenue stream is more common among creators who offer valuable content or services such as tutorials, advice, or entertainment. Ad revenue. Influencers who create content for platforms like YouTube or TikTok can earn money through advertising revenue. Platforms typically pay creators based on the factors like ad impressions, views, or engagement metrics. Selling digital products or services. Influencers can monetize their expertise by selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting services. This allows them to leverage their knowledge and experience to generate income directly from their audience. Overall, influencers often diversify their income streams to minimize their risk and maximize their earnings potential. The specific sources of income they pursue depend on the factors like their industry, audience, demographics, and personal brand goals. Thank you all and stay tuned with Inspire to get more knowledge about digital marketing.